think I fried my old Wi-Fi adapter chip. New one in, and that baby working, bro. Yeah. So another follow-up video. Remember I said my Wi-Fi wasn't working? Um, I went ahead, replaced the driver, reinstalled the driver, went back to the Asus website, downloaded the new drivers, and my Wi-Fi still wasn't working. One of my options was to reformat the whole computer to see if it was a bug, and then I was like, I really don't want to do that. I gotta go back and install all my softwares over again, repersonalize my computer. I was like, nah, I'm trying to save that for a last option. So I went ahead and diagnosed the computer. Still wasn't telling me nothing. It was saying there's no problem, but I was still can't connect to my Wi-Fi. So one of my options was to replace the Wi-Fi board, and that actually solved the problem. So I went on eBay, I searched and searched. I saw one for like 20 bucks. I was contemplating on spending 20 bucks on it, but I waited for like 2 weeks. Then I found another one. This one was like 13 bucks on eBay. I dropped it in, and bam, I'm back on the internet, boy. Yeah, and that's weird. I thought the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth would have like the same chip, but it's not, because my Bluetooth was working the whole time. So that's something to know, that your Bluetooth on the Asus is a whole different chip on its own, even though I don't know where they're located right now, but hey, it worked out with using the Bluetooth mouse. And another thing with the Bluetooth mouse, it doesn't work well if you're too far away from the laptop. Even though I know that with a Bluetooth mouse, normally you're not going to be too far away from the laptop anyways. But, say, I don't know how to say it. Same on the couch. Like, if I go to the end of the other couch, I can't really use the mouse, you know? So, that's the thing. When you're using the Bluetooth mouse, you gotta stay super close, like just right next to the laptop. No putting the laptop at a distance, put on a movie and think you're gonna use the mouse with all functionality. You gotta really stay close. So that was another thing I discovered, but I'm really happy that my Wi-Fi is working now. I don't have to stick this big ass thing out on the side and looking all ratchet. So I think when I was reinstalling this ribbon, I turned it upside down, and that kind of knocked out my wireless card. Yeah, you live and you learn. But yep, she's running smoothly now. I got internet. One thing I wanted to fix was this USB port. It's not working if whatever I'm plugging into it doesn't have power on its own. I think maybe it got, like, I put it in my laptop bag, and I think it got hit when I accidentally pressed the brake too much and my bag slid off the front seat, and you know where that gonna go. And it stopped working. Like, whatever device I plug into it has to have its own power. So if I plug in an external hard drive, which comes with its own power, it'll work no problem. But if you plug in a flash drive, it won't work. So that's the thing. And my external Wi-Fi adapter wasn't working in this port either, so I was only working with one port, so that's why I had to get a Bluetooth mouse. But it's good to have backup mouse. You never know. But yep, it's running perfectly, as you can see on Instagram. And that's one of my headaches gone. Yep, thank you. And if you have an Asus, this is basically the inside of it. You know, your memory's over here. Let me see. This is my battery. The processor is right here. I put new temper on this one. I cleaned this out. So, and after I did that, it was moving really much better. Yep. And this is my back plate. So if you have an Asus like this, it's if you can see that, yep. It's a Ux330u notebook PC. Just remember, after you take out all these screws, just know there's a hidden screw right here. These bump stoppers are on it, but there's a hidden screw in there. So you may be trying to lift it up and say, why it's not coming up? Yeah, check your bump stops. Yeah. So right now, all I'm gonna do is screw it back up and I'm good to go. So I use this when I don't have my drivers, if I have to do a full restart or install of Windows. And yeah, this helped me for like almost a month when my Wi-Fi adapter wasn't working in my laptop. Just slip it in. I always have the drivers on a flash drive or somewhere in my computer, and I'll just hook it up. Sometimes it works on its own depending on what computer you have. If you don't have internet, and if you have a desktop, most of the time the drivers doesn't work when you put it in. I recently installed a Wi-Fi adapter in it, and that's been helping me a lot. But yeah, this is a lifesaver. I have it over, I can't say, maybe 5 years. I had this thing, and it saved me so many times.